family, just throwing together a quick jambalaya out the box. Got my water boiling, got the packet here. I like to throw a little petite diced tomatoes in mine. I also got some cooked shrimp as well. Let's see. Now remember that from last video, so go ahead and use that up and put that all in there in one pot. Simple, easy, quick video, guys. Real quick video.
Big guy, watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guys, and we be
Not to be all homemade, but you can make something real quick, especially during the weekday. You don't have much time, so this is like 10 to 12 minutes to cook this. Of course, you know, shrimp. So that's the package for that. So I'm gonna take the cooked shrimp, and just pour them all up in there right away. Once they're gonna be reduced, then I'm gonna take that next and add that as well. Go ahead and drain the water off of it. Drain the water off of it. All right, 1 minute. That's good. That's good. Good. Tomatoes in. Get a bit of stir it in there. You see the seasoning, everything is already in here, so there we go. This is pretty good for peeps who can't eat like the sausage and the pork and all that stuff. Just throw you some shrimp in here. Cover it up and then let it steam or simmer for like 25 minutes. And you're in there. Just something really mad quick. Mixing my jambalaya mix up with the rice already in it. And I added shrimp. So I added probably about 2 or 3 cups of shrimp, to be honest with you. They're small, bite-sized pieces. Not quite salad size, but yeah, enough to get the job done. And of course, in this process of cooking the shrimp, we'll go ahead and absorb the flavor from the jambalaya. And you go from there. And of course, you saw I add the can of petite tomatoes, with diced tomatoes in here. So yeah, make sure it's all mixed up nice and good. Not adding any more flavor until it's just about done. So I got it on high, get it back going. You're gonna let it simmer 25 minutes. I went ahead and pulled out some extra shrimp just to have something different. I'm gonna go ahead and get this guy dressed up over here. I got an egg. I do not have any milk, so we're gonna roll what we got. I have adobo here. Actually, it's pretty good on seafood, or at least shrimp that I found. Go ahead and season it up a little bit. Not too much. Use your hand, or you can just flip it around. Make sure the egg yolk is bursted and it's all flowing all through. Okay. There we go. Of course, you know the egg just, I'm gonna go ahead and actually add it to my air fryer. So, yeah. So you guys stay tuned for that. Jambalaya over here. See the shrimp? I added so much there, so it's already shrinking. It's exactly what we knew it was going to do. So that's why I added 2 or 3 cups of shrimp. So it just depends on how much shrimp you want. And I had it back up to a boil. Just want to make sure it's not sticking. And then we're about to cover it back up and let it simmer on low. Use my hand, a clean hand, get this guy all mixed up. All right. These guys are ready. Here's what shrimp I'm using. I'm using the jumbo shrimp from Sam's. It's already peeled, clean, and deveined. So of course you want to double check to be sure, but this is what actually, I was so used to peeling these things. I was prepared to do it, but it's a really good treat to know that you don't have to do it and the tail is still on. So we're good to go. But this is what I'm using for the shrimp. Breadcrumbs. I was going to use flour, but I'm like, why not? It's going to the air fryer. And I'm using this egg, so that should hold that breadcrumb on there pretty good. So I add a little Old Bay to this guy. Just a little burst of flavor. Even though I know the adobo has really good flavor already, I don't want to. I just want to make sure we're good with flavor. It should be fine. All right, so I'm gonna add these breadcrumbs on top, all the way through. Make sure they're sticking. There we go. There we go. There we go. If it's not coated enough, just add you some more. Get them in here, line them up. I didn't have my spray here. It's at the other house, so I'm going to just go ahead and just lay them in here. I went ahead and lined the foil here with like some olive oil. Okay. Got these guys all in here. Got them spread around just a little bit. And this is my first time doing this, so we are experimenting with. I think it should be fine. I think it should be absolutely fine. All right. Let's go ahead and get these guys started. Here we go, back in the air fryer. Put it on. Let's see, it should have shrimp on here. There we go. Put it on shrimp, 320. And it's gonna go for about 20 minutes. Let's get it. Jump into the video. Just want to say, hey, what's up? And welcome to the channel. You guys here for the first time, please like and subscribe. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you join the family. The situation with the shrimp, last minute. So when I'm in the kitchen, it's like the last, I just think of stuff and I go with it. So this is what you guys are witnessing here. I think we just have something different, something just to add to the jambalaya out the box. Simple. This jambalaya is just simmering and it should be done quickly. For my fellas out there, if you want to impress your girl, this is something fast, something easy. It's still seafood. Who doesn't like seafood except those who are allergic? If you're allergic, stay away from it. But just wait on the air fryer to do what it do. The rice is just doing what it's doing. And I have garlic bread. Gotta have garlic bread, so that's gonna be the coup de grace on all this. So if you guys say check on our rice, jambalaya. And it's coming along. Okay. So when you put your water in here, and if you decide to use tomatoes like I did, just be careful. We're gonna like use a little less water. Essentially, you're adding more moisture, more water to when you put the tomatoes in here. But I like it with the tomatoes. Give a different flavor, different taste, different smell, you know, so yeah. Wait on them to go. Yeah. I had to drain a little of the water off of it, so be careful of that as well. So as you see, I tasted the rice to see if it was still firm. And then I see what the flavoring was. I'm gonna add some garlic to it. Some mixed garlic. Okay. I'm gonna add a little townies. Amp up the flavor just a little bit. A little pepper. And I had salt, but Tony has salt in it already, so I didn't want to overdo it. So I'm going to get it all mixed in there. Go from there and let it simmer just a little bit longer. So looks like we got about 12 minutes in. Let's go ahead and check on it. Yeah, you look pretty good. Look at that. Just about there. Check us out. Check us out. Check us out. There you go. Because if you want it completely bready, you can add batter. But that is pretty good. It's last minute. Throwing something together. So I'm going to get all these guys out. Look at the air fried shrimp. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. If you like them completely coated, of course, you can make that happen too. But you know, hey, just last minute throwing some breadcrumbs on it over egg wash. I mean, in the air fryer with no oil, no grease. This is dope. This is dope. That's not bad. And it tastes like cleaner too, a lot fresher. You know, so not bad. You notice that it could use a little bit more seasoning. So I'm gonna use this Red Lobster seafood seasoning and just go over the top. This season's not that salty, more flavor than anything. So yeah, now it is ready. It's a little dusting over the top, and it's good to go. Again, this is the Red Lobster seafood seasoning, and I got this at the Dollar Tree, believe it or not. Guys, back to the rice. It is good to go. Good to go. Add a little more salt and pepper to taste. I didn't want it to, like, you know, just overwhelm with seafood seasoning, even though it is a seafood jambalaya. Well, a shrimp jambalaya. But yeah, it's good to go. The rice is not mushy, so I took that water out as well too. So just play it by ear a little bit. Just gauge it. You know, it's supposed to be in there for like 20-25 minutes. Just make sure that you overwhelm it with water if you decide to use the tomatoes. 2.5 cups of water should just be fine with this packet. All right, but make it your own. You can add chicken, sausage, shrimp, just whatever other kind of protein you want to add. But for this video, we just use shrimp, and it was just cooked shrimp. I mean, cooked right down too. Look at that. Good. All right. Next up is this Texas toast, so you gotta have garlic bread with it. It's gonna be really good. You guys had sauces and other things to add to it. Feel free to do that too. It makes it even better, like some sweet Thai chili sauce would be nice with it. I just can't have all that stuff, so that's why I don't add to it, but feel free to do that. It'll pizzazz it up, jazz it up, and it's always a good dip to dip your shrimp in. So I love a good dip. So I just can't have it all the time. So this is just a course. Something quick. Something I wouldn't normally have filmed. I just got in here and just did it right after work. But when you're trying to be consistent in something, you know, you gotta be mindful of that. So I just want to thank you guys again for rocking with your boy. I had a great time this weekend, and I couldn't film a lot of it because it's been copyrighted information because it went to the One Music Fest in Atlanta. But it's a turnaround trip. So, but back Monday, getting it in. So again, I pray you guys are doing well. Let's go ahead and get the rest of the shrimp out of here. Get this garlic bread toasted up. Get the jambalaya plated. You're gonna taste it, and we'll be ready for the next video. So here we are, jambalaya. That's why I put some green beans to the side, a little air fried shrimp, and garlic bread. Very simple, very easy. Easy peasy. Beautiful. Yes, sir. All right, let's give it a taste. Taste. Jambalaya, just a shrimp in it. There we go. I'm used to having the sausage and the chicken and all that stuff in here. This is not bad with just shrimp. Not bad at all. And it's low-key satisfying. I'm gonna garlic bread right there. I'll go all out with all the other meats, but keep it light and simple. It's not bad at all. The shrimp, you can add garlic butter. All kind of things to these things. I just didn't do it all because some stuff I didn't have, but some stuff I just didn't want. But this is good. It's really good. Gotta have the garlic bread too. That was pretty good. Quick, easy, simple. You don't have to do too much to it. Yeah, I mean, it's really, you saw what it was. So just want to bring you guys just cooking video, mix them up a little bit. Next we're gonna see what's out there. I know Five Guys got a nice new grilled cheeseburger. Want to try that out? We'll see. Well, we may cook it. How about that? But either way, I pray you guys are doing well. Again, if you're here for the first time, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you guys join the family. But may God bless you, and I'll see you beautiful people next time. Peace.